Hi, I'm Todd Civia with Civia Law. I'm a business attorney in the St. Louis metropolitan area, and today I'd like to provide you with the steps to complete a do-it-yourself limited liability company in your state. The first step is to pick a name for your LLC. Your name must be distinguishable from other names, or you have the potential to be rejected. To check the availability of your company name, just visit the Secretary of State's website for your state. Step 2. You will need to complete the 2-page Articles of Organization form from the Secretary of State's website. You will need to print 2 copies of the completed articles and arrange for someone to sign both copies. The person does not have to be directly affiliated with your company. Step 3 is to have a statutory agent with an address in that state. You will need to list them in the Articles of Organization and have them sign it. The 4th step is to prepare a cover sheet to submit to the Secretary of State along with the Articles of Organization. Step 5. You will need to deliver both the cover sheet and the signed copies of the completed Articles of Organization to the Secretary of State. If you file the articles in person, ask the clerk to keep one copy and stamp the other received. Take the other copy with you so that you're able to open a bank account under the company's name. If you mail the articles, send 2 copies with a self-addressed stamped envelope. Ask in the cover letter that they stamp the second copy received and mail it back to you. Next, pay the filing fees when you file the Articles of Organization. There is a higher fee you can pay to expedite this process. This gets your approval back in a week instead of waiting a month. Once you've completed those steps, you will have a valid LLC in your state. Forming the LLC is easy, but now you will have to comply with the LLC laws. While being able to complete this on your own is great, it's highly recommended to use an attorney who can not only walk you through this process, but keep your LLC lawful. You don't want to be stuck with fines and debts. At Civia Law, we're able to form your LLC online at our website, civialaw.com. Or for further assistance, schedule an in-person consultation with one of our business attorneys.